What is a group of lions called?
Pride.
Which part of the plant grows into a new plant after germination?
Seed.
What is the name of the first man to walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Which is the only bird that can fly backward?
Hummingbird.
Which shape has 6 sides?
Hexagon.
Which of the following is a common noun?
Tiger.
Which is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
What food do pandas mostly eat?
Bamboo.
Fill in the blank. I dash happy.
M.
What do we call a person who studies the past?
Historian.
What is the young one of a goat called?
Kid.
What color are most ripe strawberries?
Red.
What do you call the land between 2 mountains?
Valley.
What is a baby frog called?
Tadpole.
Which sentence uses proper punctuation for excitement?
Watch out.
What is a group of people who are related to each other and stay together called?
Family.
What do birds build to live in?
Nest.
What is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
What is frozen water called?
Ice.
50 plus 50 minus 100 equals?
Zero.
What is it called when water gets very hot, forms bubbles, and turns into steam?
Boiling.
Which of the following is a type of public transport?
Train.
Which object helps you see yourself?
Mirror.
What do we call the water that falls from the sky in the form of tiny drops?
Rain.
What does a caterpillar turn into?
Butterfly.
Which fruit is yellow and curved?
Banana.
Which sentence is a question?
Are you ready?
Which is the smallest natural number?
One.
Which word is a possessive pronoun?
Mine.
Which natural phenomenon shows colors in the sky?
Rainbow.
What do you use to see faraway objects?
Telescope.
What do plants release into the air that humans need?
Oxygen.
Which below number is lesser than 100?
$99.
Which is the capital city of Australia?
Canberra.
How does sugar taste?
Sweet.